I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva. First, navigate to the Canva website and either sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Once inside, you'll discover a vast library of thousands of professional templates, ranging from social media posts to presentations. You can select a template that suits your needs or begin with a completely blank canvas to unleash your creativity from scratch. It's incredibly user-friendly. Now, let's dive into the design process. Canva offers intuitive tools to customize every aspect of your project. Easily change text, experiment with hundreds of fonts, and adjust colors and sizes to perfectly align with your vision. You can enrich your designs by adding elements such as high-quality photos, short videos, various shapes, and thousands of icons available in Canva's extensive library. Plus, uploading your own unique images and branding assets is simple. Canva also provides powerful advanced features to streamline your workflow. With brand kits, you can easily store and apply your brand's specific colors, fonts, and logos, ensuring consistency across all your creations. Collaboration is seamless. Share your designs with team members, allowing them to view, edit, and provide feedback in real time. For even more capabilities, a Pro subscription unlocks premium tools like the Magic Background Remover and Content Planner. Once your masterpiece is complete, saving and sharing is effortless. You can download your designs in multiple formats, including high-resolution JPGs, transparent PNGs, or print-ready PDFs, depending on your needs. Share your creations directly to popular social media platforms with just a few clicks, or send them via email. For physical copies, Canva Print offers professional printing services, delivering your designs right to your doorstep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.